Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome to Stocks Investing Science. In this video, we will look at the quarterly results and all the important updates provided in the quarterly reports for Happiest Minds Limited. As you can see, company has released their quarterly earnings. Before going on to the consolidated numbers, I will give you a brief introduction on the company. Happiest Minds Technology focuses on providing a holistic digital experience to customer through services like digital business, product engineering, and security. With end-to-end digital solution approach, the company offers the transformative solutions with centric strategies and innovative services in areas like RPA, STN, IoT, and cloud, enabling clients to enhance interactions and efficiency. So that's a brief introduction on Happiest Minds Technology. Now let's move on to the consolidated numbers. Coming to the consolidated numbers, the numbers are in lakhs that I will be converting it to crores, and this is the recently ended quarter, this is the previous ended quarter, and this is the previous year June ended quarter. And let's look at that total revenue. So year on year the revenue has increased from 404 crores to 489 crores, accounting to a growth of almost 19.4%, and quarter on quarter as well it has increased from 442 crores to 482 crores, accounting to a growth of almost 11%. So that's the total income. Now let's look at the total expenses. Year on year it has increased from 325 crores to 420 crores, and quarter on quarter it has increased from 359 crores to 420 crores. So that's the total expenses. Now let's look at the operating profit margins. So in the previous year June ended quarter in 2023, it was at 19.4%, and in the recently ended quarter, that's the previous quarter, it was at 18.8%, and in the current quarter it is at 14%. So looking at these operating profit margins year on year, the OPM has decreased by almost 5.4%, so 5.5 to 6% actually. So and also quarter on quarter it is again decreased by almost 5%. So that's not a good sign for a company of this size, and let's see how this will pans out for in the future quarters results. Now let's look at the net income, the net profits. So year on year it has decreased from 58 crores to 51 crores, courtesy the operating profit margins have decreased drastically. It has decreased by almost 12.5%, and quarter on quarter as well it has decreased by from 31 crores to 51 crores. Again it is accounting almost 30% of degrowth, which is again the courtesy goes to the operating profit margins. It has decreased by almost 4 to 5%, both year on year as well as quarter on quarter. Now let's look at the EPS. So yeah, and so year on year it has decreased from 4.04 to 3.39, and quarter on quarter again it has decreased from 4.79 to 3.39. So now let's look at the segmental net profits. Let's not look at the revenue, like let's directly look at the profits. There are three segments. One is IMSS, second one is PDES, and third one is GBS. So looking at these numbers again, it's in the lakhs. So year on year it has the IMSS segment has increased from 19 crores to 25 crores. There is a good growth, and in the quarter on quarter numbers as well, it has increased from 19 crores to 25 crores. When look at the second one, that is PDES. So here the company in terms of year on year the numbers are flat, and quarter on quarter it has decreased from 126 crores to 104 crores. So here the company is not able to generate net profits as well as the revenue. Revenue is also look like revenue has increased from 341 crores to 371 crores. Even on top of it, they are not able to generate the net profits. This is something that we should be concerned for the company. um, the revenue is increasing, but the net profits is decreasing, so that's not at all good for a good thing for a company. Now let's see the third one, that is GBS. So they have generated 7 crores of revenue, but they've made almost 2 crores of loss in that business. So they've recently started this new business. As you can see, this is not there in the previous 2 quarters. So yeah, they started something new, that's good, but we can't expect something in the starting to expect a good number of good net profit. That's okay, but they started something new, that's good thing. But the main business, they're trying to diversify from the main business. That's something that we can see here, as they are not able to generate good number of good net profit. So that's one thing that we can see in the quarterly numbers. So let's see if the assets part. So in terms of the assets, yeah, the IMSS stands almost flat, that's fine. But the PDES segment, they increased the assets, so something that they are investing in more in terms of that. So let's see. I don't know whether they are going in the right direction or not. The management will only say about it. So they have increased the assets there. Let's see if they can generate good number of good net profits or the revenue in the future quarters, as well as the operating profit margins from this business segment. That will be great for the company. To summarize the whole quarterly numbers in terms of percentage growth, both year on year as well as quarter on quarter, that is both total revenue as well as the net profits, I will be giving you the percentage growth. It has done both year on year as well as quarter on quarter. So in terms of the total revenue, year on year it has grown by almost 21%, and quarter on quarter again it has increased by 11%. So now let's look at the net profits. Year on year it has decreased by almost 13%, and quarter on quarter again it has decreased by 30%. So that's the numbers. And in terms of the operating profit margins as well, the company has lost almost 5%, both year on year as well as quarter on quarter, in terms of the operating profit margins. So that's not good sign. Like they lost almost 5% in terms of the operating profit margins. So overall, I see company has not given a great numbers. Though they are able to generate the total the revenue, they are not able to generate the profits. In terms of quarter on quarter as well as the same scenario, they are not able to generate the net profits. They were increase the growth, but no net profits as well as the operating profit margins are decreasing, both quarter on quarter as well as year on year. So let's see how market reacts to this set of numbers when the market opens on Monday. But what do you think on the above numbers? Please do share your valuable thoughts on the results in the comment section, and share this video with your friends, family, and also with the ones who have invested in Happiest Minds, so that they'll be aware of the quarterly numbers. And if you like this video, please do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future updates. With that, I'll get end this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video.